From last construction update number 9, 3 months ago in February 2nd, much work has been done. TZC continues to dismantle the Tappan Zee Bridge's west anchor span and salvage the collapsed east anchor span. Utilizes 20 hydraulically powered strand jacks and 180-ton super crane. East anchor span will be raised out of the Hudson River bottom. Partial navigation channel closure required for this work. (568 feet long, 173 meters) west anchor span, estimated weight 5,500 ton. This monster will be landing to the 2 barges, also utilizes by hydraulically powered strand jacks, 8 for each side. TZC continue to install glass panels on the northern side of the westbound span, the path's overlooks, and work on the path's barrier. At the Westchester landing, construction continues at the terminus site walls, storage building, visitor pavilion and canopy area. Operations include excavation, and the placement of subbase, rebar, drainage, and vapor barrier.